Hello and welcome to the Finding Silence YouTube channel. If you are new to meditation, it can feel overwhelming. Today, I want to share a powerful and simple practice. Positive affirmations have played a significant role in transforming my mindset. So, what are positive affirmations? They're short, uplifting statements you repeat to yourself. Phrases like, I am strong or I am enough. They may sound a bit cheesy at first, but trust me, they really work. Why do they work? Well, our brains are always listening, especially to the words we use about ourselves. When you repeat positive affirmations, you're actually rewiring your brain. Science calls this neuroplasticity. Basically, you're helping your brain form new positive pathways, and that can shift your mood, your outlook, even your habits. Researchers have found that saying positive affirmations can lower stress, boost your confidence, and make it easier to deal with tough situations. In one study, people who practiced affirmations daily showed less activity in parts of the brain related to pain and stress. That's real measurable change, just from the words you say to yourself. Here's the thing, affirmations aren't magic, but they do make a difference when you use them consistently. And you don't need any special tools or training to get started. All you need is a few minutes and a willingness to try. Let me show you how I do it. First, I find a quiet spot, close my eyes, and take a deep breath. Then, I pick one or two affirmations that really speak to me. For example, I am learning and growing every day, or I am at peace with myself. I say them out loud or just in my head a few times. You can write your own affirmations or use ones you find online, whatever feels right for you. The most important thing, let the words sink in, really feel them. If you keep this up, even for just a couple minutes a day, you'll start to notice a shift. Maybe you'll feel a little calmer or more hopeful. Maybe you'll find it easier to focus during meditation, or even just feel a bit kinder to yourself. So as you begin your meditation journey, try adding positive affirmations to your routine. They're a small step, but they can lead to big changes. Thanks for joining me today on Finding Silence. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and let me know your favorite affirmation in the comments below. Remember, you deserve peace.